Since REWA YouTube channel was created to share repair skills, we have received attention and support from repair enthusiasts around the globe. Gradually, more and more repair technicians come to REWA Technology channel for solutions when faced with technical problems. To better offer technical support for repair technicians, REWA Academy was founded in 2018 to help repair technicians enrich knowledge and power their repair business. Over a year, 237 repair enthusiasts from 54 countries and regions have joined the REWA Academy Outside course. Combining rich experience from REWA teaching team. REWA Academy introduced online course during the 2020 pandemic period. Online course has created opportunities for students who are unable to join the on-site course to study at home. Recently, we have optimized functions related to user experience with the new REWA Academy launch. For example, you can now study on PC, tablet and mobile phone, which means that you can study repair skills anywhere and anytime. To ensure learning experience, new REWA Academy has put a lot of effort to guarantee smooth video viewing. Within a year, REWA Academy online students have grown to 4,000, receiving positive feedback throughout the world. REWA Academy course is designed according to the needs of customers and fans. While talking with customers and fans, we found that many phone repair technicians only have the ability to replace parts like battery and screen but has no capability for motherboard diagnosis and repair. Though some repair technicians command motherboard repair skills, they fall short of full troubleshooting competence and have little knowledge of motherboard working principles. Most of them repair based on experience, so the efficiency is relevantly low. Repair difficulties will be greatly increased if they are faced with new models or new problems. That's why we launched the REWA Academy. We hope to help repair technicians improve repair skills, enhance business competitiveness and power their repair business. Since launch and operation, REWA Academy online course has been well received by many students. We work constantly to make the course rich. Based on each student's unique situations, we have divided courses into 5 categories. The first one is the iPhone Motherboard Repair Foundation course. Foundation course primarily targets iPhone motherboard repair amateurs and beginners. The course content mainly includes fundamental electronic knowledge, basic electronic components, detailed description, frequently used motherboard repair tools and common iPhone motherboard repair methods. The second one is the iPhone Motherboard Repair Handwork course. Handwork course will enable students to master iPhone motherboard microsoldering techniques. Furthermore, the course will help students know about the right tools to use for microsoldering to avoid damaging the motherboard, laying a good foundation for future repair. The third one is the iPhone Motherboard Repair Workflow and Troubleshooting course. Through the course, students can fully understand different iPhone power circuit workflow, find out probable causes for different problems and grasp normal troubleshooting process for each circuit. The course will help students troubleshoot problems effectively in daily repair. The fourth one is the iPhone Motherboard Repair Case course. The case course will aid students to learn how to tell different iPhone problems and the process to troubleshoot problems. After the course, students can know about the latest iPhone common issues and follow the video guidance to complete repair work step by step. One is the Broken Screen and Back Glass Refurbishment course. The course comprises refurbishment techniques for iPhone and iPad LCD and OLED screen, Samsung curved screen and iPhone back glass. Through the course, students can learn detailed refurbishment steps and how to use common refurbishment tools. A support center was specifically set up to help students solve any problems encountered in the registration and course selection process. During learning, to make sure that students can keep up with the learning process, our course consultant will follow up on each student via email every week. Other than that, you can raise questions in the community during learning. Our online technicians will help you solve the problems. In the meantime, you can discuss common repair problems with a number of repair technicians and grow repair knowledge together. After the course is over, REWA Academy will present a graduation certificate, proving that the student has completed the course. This year we will not only keep upgrading iPhone courses but also add Android and MacBook courses. In the future, we will keep an eye on the feasibility of other smart devices such as game console, drone, smart home installation, electric vehicle, and other smart consumer electronics. In summary, we will continue to enrich course content in the future. REWA welcomes repair enthusiasts worldwide to join REWA Academy. We believe that learning always keeps you in the lead. Light up your repair skills with REWA Academy. Let's make repair easy. Join us now.